Hey guys, I today we'll be making flour sauce for the kids. So I will show you the way I make it for my kids because then the pepper, then the meat, they only like the shrimp and fish. That's all. And season it well. That's all they like. So I will show you how I'll be making it today. So if I say flour sauce, those who don't know flour sauce, this is flour sauce. So we're gonna be putting shrimp and the fish with onion and then little soda for the flour sauce. So if you take the flour sauce from the pack, this is how it look. Yep, this is how it look. So we're gonna start. Done. So when you do like this, you put the soda, let it boil with the soda, just little soda. That's enough. Let it boil good. So when you put the soda, you cover it, you allow it to boil good. See, this is how it look. So like this, I'm gonna be putting the fish for the fish to do. For the fish, I already don't put water because the fish got water. The ice stay on it. A shrimp. Onions. Black pepper a little bit. Pepper season. And I put chicken bouillon. And we stir it. Stir everything together. This one I'm gonna eat it for 1 week. But if they really eating it, be for 4 days. So that's it. Cover it a bowl. See, color flour sauce. So that's why you can pour water. You see, let the fish give it water. So I'm gonna leave it cook good and dry. Let's go. So this is the rice. We go with rice. We're cooking the rice. So this is the flour sauce. So you see how it dry? Ready to put the oil. Ready to boil the oil. Red oil. See that? That's how I like it.
Hey, stop doing that. So let me do what?
Rice for everybody. Either eat it with the flour sauce or the okra soup. It's the flour soup. Veal for myself. Patico. For plenty pepper. Okay, the flour sauce is ready for eating. This is it. It's ready. This is for Joshua. It's acre here. Give me a spoon from over there. Spoon. The big one. No. Yeah. Wash it. Please. Já contei, Alfa. Call your sister. Hey, Brian. Joshua. Wash one spoon for Joshua for me, please. welcome. Joshua, come for your food.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Thank you, God. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We love you, and we'll post more video for you. Thank you. Bye bye.